Homeowner ask me this question a lot. Should I future-proof my house when I integrate home technology? And my answer to that is absolutely. Why? Why would you need to future-proof your house? I mean, you can run wires, you can install everything you need today, and that's it. But the truth is, you want to think about future-proofing your house as far as technology, because you never know how technology going to move forward. You never know how you're going to end up living in the house and wanting to add more features, more control. But if you limit yourself with basically not having enough wires to support the technology you need, you're going to be in a problem. You're going to be in a problem you don't want to be in. So it's super, super important when you build a house, ask your home technology company to future-proof it. And it's very, very simple. If you are building a house or renovating, you want to future-proof your house in a few simple ways. Add more wires for cameras, add more wires for Wi-Fi, add more wires up in the attic if you have any, add more wires in the back of the house and in the front of the house, exterior. So you can control gate control, you can add cameras in the front, you can add more security and entertainment in the back. It's really, really important to make sure you add those wires in those multiple places, because it's the cost of it at the beginning and planning for it is very, very minimal. To try to add technology after the fact, when everything is done, it's super complicated and super expensive. It's just not worth it. So that simple planning and that simple tiny investment at the beginning will save you a lot. Even if you think, hey, I'm building a house now, I'm going to add whatever I need, and I will never add anything. And I can tell you from experience, that's almost never the case. Homeowners always end up finding that they need to add more feature, more control, or upgrading something that they need, simple as security or Wi-Fi, any of those line items. So if you need any help and you're building a house, I can help you. The link is in the bio.